Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and have you ever seen a skijoring belt? Skijoring is a sport that you really have to know what you're doing and all of the ins and outs. You will notice that I'm putting this through. Actually, that would have a big steel snap that would hook there, but you don't do a great big loop with your sled and put it around here. I think it's called a fulcrum, and the idea is when you're pulling this way, you have to have the correct leverage to move what you're moving. Darren actually skijored. This is set up for skiing, or having a dog pull you with the sled between you and actually it's more of a tub made into a sled, like a ice fishing sledge. If you have pockets, you never put your belt over the pockets because you don't want what's in it ground into your body. Darren actually skijored with snowshoes. We lived in South Dakota, way out on the prairie. There was nothing between us and our mailbox, and it was just over 6.5 miles, and I sold on eBay. So he would pull a sled skijoring on snowshoes 13, well, just over 13 miles from our door to the mailman, and he would usually go when the mail was coming in and meet the mailman. My elf skis came from Dollar Tree. I buy this because I want the white shirt for the Blythe. I cut it down the back and add Velcro, and it makes a fast, cheap shirt, white shirt. Amazingly, my elf can stand up on these skis. Yes, I did rubber band him in, but he is standing on his own. Today I'm doing the Elf Challenge for winter sports with Tina from Tina's Reborns, Dory from Dory's Dollies, and Penny from Playful Reborns. Please go by and see their videos today too. If you have a video, would you please let me know in the comments, because I want to see every single one. Thank you all for joining in. These are so fun. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.